I have finished my homework early today. I have finished my homework early today. She has cleaned the kitchen this morning. She has cleaned the kitchen this morning. He has taken a shower before breakfast. He has taken a shower before breakfast. We have bought fresh vegetables from the market. We have bought fresh vegetables from the market. They have watched a new movie together. They have watched a new movie together. You have eaten lunch at your favorite restaurant. You have eaten lunch at your favorite restaurant. I have read an interesting book about history. I have read an interesting book about history. She has written a letter to her grandmother. She has written a letter to her grandmother. He has played football with his friends. He has played football with his friends. We have visited a beautiful park today. We have visited a beautiful park today. They have completed their assignments on time. They have completed their assignments on time. I have listened to my favorite song 5 times. I have listened to my favorite song 5 times. She has taken amazing photos of the sunset. She has taken amazing photos of the sunset. He has called his mother to check on her. He has called his mother to check on her. We have gone to the gym for a workout. We have gone to the gym for a workout. You have sent an important email this morning. You have sent an important email this morning. I have cooked a delicious dinner for my family. I have cooked a delicious dinner for my family. She has learned a new recipe from YouTube. She has learned a new recipe from YouTube. He has fixed his broken bicycle. He has fixed his broken bicycle. We have walked 5 kilometers today. We have walked 5 kilometers today. They have enjoyed their vacation in the mountains. They have enjoyed their vacation in the mountains. I have started a new fitness challenge. I have started a new fitness challenge. She has organized her wardrobe neatly. She has organized her wardrobe neatly. He has bought a new pair of sneakers. He has bought a new pair of sneakers. We have planned a surprise party for our friend. We have planned a surprise party for our friend. You have found a perfect gift for your brother. You have found a perfect gift for your brother. I have downloaded a useful language learning app. I have downloaded a useful language learning app. She has tried a new skincare routine. She has tried a new skincare routine. He has helped his neighbor carry groceries. He has helped his neighbor carry groceries. We have watched an interesting documentary. We have watched an interesting documentary. They have exercised every morning this week. They have exercised every morning this week. I have painted my bedroom walls a new color. I have painted my bedroom walls a new color. She has made a handmade gift for her sister. She has made a handmade gift for her sister. He has practiced his guitar skills for hours. He has practiced his guitar skills for hours. We have studied for the final exams together. We have studied for the final exams together. They have completed a 10,000 step goal today. They have completed a 10,000 step goal today. I have started my day with a meditation session. I have started my day with a meditation session. She has written a poem about her childhood. She has written a poem about her childhood. He has cleaned his car inside and out. He has cleaned his car inside and out. We have attended a live music concert. We have attended a live music concert. You have ordered your favorite dessert. You have ordered your favorite dessert. I have called my best friend for a long chat. I have called my best friend for a long chat. She has danced to her favorite song. She has danced to her favorite song. He has taken a power nap in the afternoon. He has taken a power nap in the afternoon. We have checked our emails before starting work. We have checked our emails before starting work. They have booked tickets for a weekend trip. They have booked tickets for a weekend trip. I have recorded a new video for my vlog. I have recorded a new video for my vlog. She has taught her little brother how to ride a bike. She has taught her little brother how to ride a bike. He has built a small bookshelf for his room. He has built a small bookshelf for his room. We have discovered a great new restaurant. We have discovered a great new restaurant. I have completed my morning workout. I have completed my morning workout. She has arranged the books on the shelf. She has arranged the books on the shelf. He has repaired his broken laptop. He has repaired his broken laptop. We have watered the plants in the garden. We have watered the plants in the garden. They have visited their grandparents this weekend. They have visited their grandparents this weekend. You have packed your bags for the trip. You have packed your bags for the trip. I have checked my bank balance today. I have checked my bank balance today. She has chosen a beautiful dress for the party. She has chosen a beautiful dress for the party. He has taken amazing pictures of the sunset. He has taken amazing pictures of the sunset. We have discussed our weekend plans. We have discussed our weekend plans. They have learned a few new English words. They have learned a few new English words. I have completed my to-do list for the day. I have completed my to-do list for the day. She has saved enough money to buy a new phone. She has saved enough money to buy a new phone. He has played his favorite video game all afternoon. He has played his favorite video game all afternoon. We have walked along the beach at sunset. We have walked along the beach at sunset. You have prepared a delicious breakfast. You have prepared a delicious breakfast. I have joined an online fitness class. I have joined an online fitness class. She has changed her hairstyle. She has changed her hairstyle. He has booked a hotel for the vacation. He has booked a hotel for the vacation. We have visited a new coffee shop. We have visited a new coffee shop. They have bought groceries for the week. They have bought groceries for the week. I have enjoyed a relaxing Sunday afternoon. I have enjoyed a relaxing Sunday afternoon. She has sent an invitation to her best friend. She has sent an invitation to her best friend. He has planned a surprise for his parents. He has planned a surprise for his parents. We have shared funny memes in our group chat. We have shared funny memes in our group chat. They have finished watching an entire TV series. They have finished watching an entire TV series. I have downloaded a new music playlist. I have downloaded a new music playlist. She has practiced yoga every morning. She has practiced yoga every morning. He has decorated his bedroom with lights. He has decorated his bedroom with lights. We have made fresh fruit juice. We have made fresh fruit juice.